Oh, he did?
He tried to put the old one back in, and then there was still a problem with the zone heat, and one of the valves.
He put the wrong control in, he fried it?
Well, he put the right controller in, but he had it on, I think he had it on, it wasn't on microvolts, and it must have cooked it.
So what happened there?
He just
Did I go over there and fix it?
You went over there and he put the old circulator back on, which was working, because it was taken off, and that wasn't.
I think I remember that job. Anyway, so that was. Yeah, this tank is getting old, but it's still okay. Good. So far, I mean, it's hard to tell because they leak from the inside out.
Yeah.
I mean, how old's your father?
He's going to be 90, October 27th. Can you believe that shit? Yeah, he's been in and out of the hospital and everywhere else. And he's home now, which is where we like to keep him.
All right, let me do the service on it.
Okay, all right.
Overhead oil line. Change the filter and pull it through the pump. There's a full tank of oil. Make sure this shuts off good. Be careful. I don't want no fucking problems. Hopefully I can get it off. Gotta go easy with this old shit because it's been sitting around forever, right? Don't want to bang anything. This shit is... We gotta go gentle with it. Use it with kid gloves. You ever hear that saying? Especially an old tank. I don't know what the filter's gonna look like, but in a couple of years, he said. Yeah, it's a little mucky. Nothing crazy, but I always like to clean the bottom of this container out. With my little brush, clean this container out good. All the guys complain about these gaskets. There's nothing wrong with that gasket. I leave it. It's a nice thick gasket. Don't need to change that. Put the gasket in there good. Dark and dingy down here. I'm gonna pull it through. We're gonna pull it through the. I'm gonna pull it through the pump, get a good flow. Make sure that the pump filter's good. Make sure you hold back on this when you tighten it. Don't want to break that nipple on the tank. This is the Firematic type. Should have a fusible link up top there. Freaking dark and dingy down here. Dark and dingy. Well, like I said, I'll pull it through the pump, make sure we get a good flow, get all the air out. I got that off there. I'm gonna check the filter in the back. Yeah, don't look too bad. It's okay. Yeah, it needs to be washed. Hello?
Yes, Steve.
You want to wash this filter outside with a garden hose?
I can probably take it to my house and clean
Either
it.
that or wash it in the sink with the, see this? You gotta blow it backward, blow it this way and blow all the shit out of it.
Okay.
You wanna blow all that dust out of there with some water.
Okay.
We'll put it back.
All right. Okay.
Do it in the sink.
Okay.
I think I worked for this guy before, so I don't know one of his jobs. At least this thing looks relatively new. Newer furnace. A couple of years since it's been cleaned. Looks relatively new here. There's a leaker. That head looks like it's definitely not set right. It's way off. The fucking head is way off. I'll tell you right now, that head is way off. That's a fact. Yeah, the head's way off. I need to set that. I'm gonna mark where it is now. I mean, it's way off. I'm gonna mark it where it is now. Wow, 1 gallon. That's a big fucking nozzle. Wow. One gallon. 1 gallon 80. That's a big nozzle, man. What the hell does this thing take? 85 to a gallon. I mean, the flipping thing is like way oversized. I'm gonna put a little 75 in there. Way oversized. A little tiny, tiny, tiny house here. I'll put a 75 in there. That's all you need. Overkill. We're gonna reset that head where it needs to be. I know it's way off. I put a mark where it was. No, not off by much. Not off by much. No. Well, we'll put a mark where it needs to be, right there. That's where it should be. Right there. That's where it should be. My homemade rig. The other ones. The Z gauges are always breaking. I made one out of metal. did leave air in the flipping. I'll try to bleed it. Wow. Very good. There it is. There it is. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna jump out. TT here. I might turn on the power, it should run. So I gotta jump out this one. And then this one. Over TT.
What do you need?
Should be TT right there. If I jump it out, I gotta leave the air out. Second time. You washed it?
Yeah, I washed it and pretty much dried it with drip dry.
Well, good. That's a washable one, so.
Yeah. Did I see the metal one too? Were you just bleeding it now?
Yeah, I changed the filter and I'm giving it a good bleed.
Good.
You know, years ago, that's what the doctors used to do to you, give you a good flipping bleed.
Yeah,
right?
they use leeches too. Dad says there's no belt on the motor. Is there a belt on it?
No, I don't think so. That's one of those new style motors. I don't think that there's a belt on. This is a newer system.
Yeah, he had it replaced a few years ago. I don't know. It was just serviced in 23, I think was the last time. I'll put this over here. Let's see the filter. Pretty dry. I use the hot water. Yeah,
So you want to wash it now, right?
yeah, from the other side, yeah. Doesn't look too bad.
Right in there.
That's it, huh?
I would do it every year.
Okay. Yeah, he just wanted to check. He says that it's not blown as much, but I don't know. I think it's working.
Well, I mean, the filter was dirty, but it needed service.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, well, I'll let you be. Just give them all the morning.
Put a new filter in there. Cleaned it. I'll hear the duct work when it kicks in. Yeah, I didn't install this system. That's why you cross-break everything so it don't make that noise. Alright, so I got the door back on. Look at this. No cross bracing. That's why he's making all that noise. That should have been all cross broke. Shit job. New filterette tank, new nozzle, reset drawer assembly, good oil flow. Out pump, cleaned air filter. Overhead oil line, I got no leaks. I mean, you could put some braces in here, across here. Like braces like that. Look at this. Fucking shit. Shit job. You don't hear that on my jobs.